confident speaking skills can be a piece of cake if the right training is given. So, according to you, what's the right training?
See, the right training is that
There is a one saying that fake it till you make it. So, what do you want to say about this line?
okay.
If you are talking right now about the
Okay.
confidence.
See, I think that let's move on to feedback since we're only left with 1 more minute. Okay.
Yeah.
As for your feedback, I would say you're a very good speaker, a very confident one.
Yeah. Hi. How are you, Dhanya?
Hi. I am good. How are you?
I'm absolutely great. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So let's start the session. Before we start, can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Uh, as you know, my name is Mohammad Danis, and I am from Indian state of Jharkhand at Ranchi. But right now, I'm living in Qatar, and
So what made your journey to Doha, Qatar?
yeah. It's a long story, so I will try to tell you in a nutshell that um, one fine day I was with my cousin and he told me there is going on interview for Doha. So would you like to give interview? I told him let's give it a shot, and we went there and we gave our interview and then we selected and I am here.
Okay. So how's your life in Qatar now?
Uh, it's quite a normal, not not a big change, but yeah, it's good.
Okay. So what's your
And what
reason
about
behind?
you? Tell me a little bit about you as well.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So about me, as you know, my name is Dhaanya and I'm from New Delhi, India.
Oh, great.
Okay. So
And
I'm currently, yeah.
go ahead, go ahead. Sorry
Yeah.
to
So I was
interrupt.
saying that, no problem. I was saying that I'm currently pursuing my undergraduation from Delhi University. Yeah. I'll
Okay,
start my third year this month. So
okay.
that's about
And
me,
what
and
are you
I'm currently
pursuing?
pursuing I'm pursuing majors in food technology honors.
Food technology and honors. Food,
Food technology honors.
sorry, food?
Yeah, food technology honors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm hearing it first time. Food technology and honors. What is it
Okay, so
basically?
it's honors in food technology. It's about preservation, processing, and
Yeah,
manufacturing of food, and the science behind food, biochemistry, and all the chemical and scientific aspects of food.
yeah.
Yeah. So, what's your
So
reason
where were
behind
we?
joining Clapingo? I told you about myself.
I want to practice.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I'm now asking you what's your reason behind joining Clapingo.
Basically, I want to practice here and I want to improve my communication skill. That's why I'm here every day practicing. And today, when I was going through your profile, I find it very interesting that you mentioned there that confident speaking skills can be a piece of cake if the right training is given. So, according to you, what's the right training?
See, the right training is that you should be corrected at the right points of time. Okay, if you're going wrong somewhere,
Yeah,
you're going wrong with grammar, pronunciation, or any aspect, then I believe you need
okay,
to be corrected. Okay, because a lot of people,
yeah,
what a lot of people expect is that you listen to me, and by listening
yeah,
to me, you will grasp things. But that's not the
okay,
case that happens with a lot of people. Okay, with
okay,
some people they catch they catch their mistakes, they know their mistakes while talking to other people. They know that okay, I made a mistake. But with some people it's not like that. They
yeah,
need to be corrected then and there. Okay, so that's why
yeah,
I wrote this in my bio that
yeah,
the right training needs to be given in order to be a confident speaker.
yeah.
Yes, that
And
was the reason
how
behind
do you define as a confident speaker? What do you see in as a, if you are looking for a confident speaker?
it. Okay, see, first of all, um a confident speaker, confidence comes from knowing that you are speaking it the correct way. You're speaking a language in the right way. Okay, so first of all,
Yeah.
confidence comes from that. Okay, so if you
Okay.
are speaking confidently, but you're not speaking it, if you're not speaking English in the right way, you're using wrong
Yeah.
grammar, and still you
Yeah.
are confident, then that
Yeah.
is not actually being confident, that's being overconfident.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so being confident
Yeah.
in being right with your grammar and knowing that yes, you are right, and not holding back yourself from speaking. Because I
Yeah.
have seen a lot of
And
learners on Clapingo who speak English very nicely. Okay, but they hold back
okay.
because of the fear of being wrong somewhere, or because of the
Being
fear
right.
of going wrong somewhere.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
that fear
Absolutely.
and that holding back of yourself shouldn't be there in a confident person or in a confident speaker.
Yeah. Yeah. There is a one saying that fake it till you make it. So, what do you want to say about this line?
Okay.
If you are talking right now about the
Okay.
confidence.
See, I think that confidence is something that cannot be fake. A
Yeah.
lot of things can be
I
fake.
also think.
Your
Yeah.
lifestyle can be fake. Okay,
Yeah.
your clothes, they can be fake, your appearance can be fake, but your
Yeah.
speaking skills and your lifestyle, they can never
Yeah.
be, sorry, your speaking skills and your confidence are these two things that can never be fake.
Yeah.
Because
Absolutely.
if you start faking, then in 2 minutes the other person will get to know and they'll be like, okay, stop it now.
Yeah. They are
We know
faking.
where you are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
what's your opinion about this? Fake it till you make it.
Same. No, I don't believe on this line because yeah, as you were saying that if you are faking it, definitely people are going to judge that you are faking it. And I also believe that first impression should not be the last impression because in the first, like if I am here and I'm speaking, if I have mugged up something in my mind and I came here and within a 1 minute I said something and you are impressed by me. And after 1 minute that I am stuttering, I forget my lines, I'm not able to talk properly, then it was not my first impression. I always believe that our last impression should be the first impression.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah,
something even I believe too, because first impression cannot be the last impression.
yeah,
Okay.
absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. So what's the language that you speak there in Qatar?
In Qatar, mostly I speak in Hindi, and whenever I am at my office, I speak sometimes Arabic and English as well. So all
Okay,
three
so
languages I speak in my day-to-day life.
okay. So which is the language that you're most comfortable in?
Yeah,
Which is the language that
I'm
you're
Hindi,
most comfortable
but
in? In Hindi.
yeah, yeah, definitely because it's our mother tongue, and I'm trying to improve my communication skill in English. So I'm practicing it, and it's becoming more comfortable. Yeah, right now, day by day, I am
Okay.
improving.
Okay, that's very nice to hear.
Yeah,
So how did you learn
yeah.
Arabic?
By listening to people and by observing how they are staying, in what situation they are staying. So yeah, when I came here first time, that time I used to learn by watching on YouTube, like counting what's the one in Arabic, two in Arabic, three in Arabic numbers, because I was dealing with the cash. So every time I had to deal with the numbers like 50 reals put in my card. So yeah, what is the 50? It comes in like that. Mia is equal to 100 real. Methane is 200 reals. So yeah, after that, if you are surrounded with the good people, you can learn anything. Like if I am trying to improve my English communication skill and I'm surrounded with
Yeah.
right people and I'm watching videos, reading, listening, so yeah, definitely you are gonna improve one day your speaking skill. So yeah, it was the main reason that
Okay.
I learned it.
Okay.
As
So was it
although
easy?
I'm not
Yeah. Go ahead.
fluent in Arabic, but I can handle it in any situation. I can talk with them. Mostly I understand what they are saying, but when it comes to speaking, I make them understand what I want to say.
Okay, okay, okay. So can you read it too?
No, I can't read it.
Okay, so you can, I mean, like you cannot read it at all.
But I can read it. Quran, it's also written in
Yeah.
Arabic language, but I
Okay,
can read
okay.
it Quran. But when it comes to Arabic language, I don't know. It's they're different a little bit, no, but it's a little bit different, yeah. Other than the Quran, so yeah, I can read Quran very well. I can recite it very well, but when it comes to like a paragraph or something in Arabic, spoken, spoken
Okay.
Arabic is different than the written Quran.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. You know, spoken is something that even a child learns from his or her background, right? Spoken
yeah,
is that
yeah,
obviously, but for writing, he needs proper schooling and all. He needs a formal education.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's the case for everyone, I guess.
yeah.
Okay,
I never try
so
to read it actually because that's why. If I will give it a try and if I will practice every day, then I can read it also. It's not a
yeah, I
big
mean,
deal
obviously, it just needs
because I
some
know
practice
Arabic
because you
Quran.
know how to
Yeah,
write. Obviously, you know how to speak it, so it won't be a very big deal to write it.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
what are your hobbies? What do you do when you get back home, when you're free or on holidays?
My hobbies are reading books and watching movies like that. Before, I used to play cricket a lot, but when Corona hit the globe, then I stopped playing, and since then, I never started again playing cricket
Okay, okay,
because that time I had lots of friends and we had one playground, so that is not there now. So, yeah,
okay,
this is the reason.
okay, okay.
Yeah. And what do you do in your leisure time?
Um, I would say like there are a lot of things. For example, you know, listening to music or watching movies. So yeah,
Yeah.
in which language do you watch movies?
Before I used to watch movies definitely in Hindi, but as I'm improving my English, so I stopped watching anything in Hindi. Right now, I'm watching everything in English.
Okay, okay, that's nice. You know, actually, that's the thing that I recommend to a lot of learners that
Yeah,
you should start watching movies or any video that you watch online in English.
yeah,
That's a very good way to improve.
yeah.
Okay, so just
By
one
watching,
correction that I would make. Uh, this
okay,
you say that before I used to do this, before I used to do that. So instead of saying that, we say
it's a
earlier.
repetition earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay,
earlier I used to do this and that. Yeah. So
okay,
you were
okay.
saying something. You were watching currently what?
No, I was saying, yeah, I watch lots of English content on YouTube or anywhere on OTT platform.
Okay. So what? Which is the last
Yeah.
web series or movie that you watched?
Last movie I watched Forest Gump.
Okay, that's a classic movie.
Yeah, it was a very nice movie. I loved it.
Okay. You know, even I thought of watching it just a few days ago, but somehow I mean, I don't know, when I started it, I did not it did not really intrigue me to watch it further. Then I got some work, I got busy, and then
Yeah,
I closed my laptop. So it was
but
like
if
that. But I've
you didn't
heard that
watch,
it's a
then you
classic.
should definitely watch this movie.
Okay, yeah, I will definitely watch it then.
Yeah,
Okay. So let's move on to feedback since we're only left with 1 more minute. Okay.
yeah,
As for your feedback, I would say you're a very good speaker, a very confident one, and you don't
yeah,
really make much mistakes while speaking. There are only a few minor mistakes that need correction. Okay,
yeah,
and that's all. Not really major blunders or mistakes that you make.
yeah.
So that's a good point about you. And overall, you're a very good speaker. And it was very
Oh,
nice
thank you
having a
for it.
conversation with you.
It was also nice talking with you.
Yeah. Okay, so hope to see you in the next sessions.
Yeah, I hope to book you again.
Yeah, definitely. Okay,
Okay.
bye. Take care.
Okay, then bye bye. Take care, you as well. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.